7 to 8 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 1 to 2 tablespoons of potato starch or rice flour. Combine the two to make 9 tablespoons. If using cake flour, all 9 tablespoons should be cake flour. Mix thoroughly and incorporate air. This. Other ingredients: 2 bowls, a whisk and a spatula. Chill all of these in the fridge. Make dipping sauce before tempura. 2 tablespoons of kashi, or 1½ tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, instead. 180 milliliters dashi stock, or water plus kombu stock powder. I'm lazy, I use stock powder. Heat this up. You can either use the microwave or the stove. Slice the chilled vegetables. Slice into about 2 millimeters thick, about 240 grams of onion. 1 large one, 2 medium ones, or 3 small ones. Keeping the ingredients and tools cold will result in a crispy finish. 80 grams of carrot. 1 medium one, half a large one. Julienne about 2 millimeters thick. Something green for color. Optional. I used green onion this time, but anything you have on hand is fine. Use the chilled and dry bowl. Mix with the other vegetables, separating the onions if they are stuck together. Add 3 tablespoons of the chilled flour. Coat the veggies thoroughly. Prepare some iced water. Into another chilled bowl, 1 tablespoon of mayo. Use oil-based mayo. Mayo is an emulsified oil, so it dissolves in the water and allows the oil to be incorporated into the batter. This is also to prevent tempura from becoming gooey. 100 milliliters of iced water. Measure out 100 milliliters of the iced water prepared earlier and add it. They blend well. Add the remaining flour. Mix several strokes. Be careful not to overmix. Like this. Overmixing activates the gluten and results in a gooey texture. Prepare the fryer. Plenty of oil. It needs to be about 3 centimeters deep. Heat it to 170 degrees Celsius. While heating the oil, mix batter and the veggies. Mix by lifting it from the bottom. Mix roughly, leave lumps. Never overmix. Now it's time to fry the tempura. Put it in, let it scatter at first, then gather it together and shape it. You may be tempted to do like this, but it will absorb excess oil and fail. Once you get used to it, try stirring it for a second after putting it in the oil. Then Then gather it together and shape it. This technique makes tempura really light and crispy. Give it a try. With this method, the temperature of oil is even more important. Cook the other side as well until delicious golden brown. While waiting for the tempura oil to drain, grate the daikon radish. Drain off the excess water. Add grated daikon to the sauce and serve. The enzymes contained in daikon aid digestion, making it perfect for fried food. Or place well-drained tempura on top of rice. And pour the sauce over it. It's Kakiage Don. When served on udon, it is Kakiage udon. Enjoy it in a variety of ways.